chemical properties of substance, chemical process, and phenomena. Scientific study of matter, its properties and interactions with other matter and with energy. Is derived from the Greek word chemia, which means the art of metalworking. An experimental science which deals with matter is the study of matter, its properties, composition, structures, and the laws and principles that govern its changes. Composition, parts of components of the sample and the relative properties by the mass. Example, sodium chloride by mass 40% sodium and 60% chlorine. Water by mass 60% H2 hydrogen gas and 40% oxygen gas. Structure pertains to the arrangement of the particles that makes up the matter. Example, the solid, liquid, and gas. Properties are the qualities of attribute which distinguish one substance from one another. Branches of chemistry. Agrochemistry, the analytical chemistry, the biochemistry, cluster chemistry, electrochemistry, environmental chemistry, inorganic chemistry, nuclear chemistry, organic chemistry, photochemistry, physical chemistry, polychemistry. Definition of science. It is a method of discovering knowledge and thinking manipulating process. It's a branch of knowledge that deals with experimentation and analysis. The knowledge obtained from discovery, examination, and testings of facts. Definitions of technology. It is applied science. Law, a statement of scientific fact concerning natural phenomena. Mass, the amount of materials it contains. Volume is the space being occupied by matter.